Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Etsy promoted listings budget for stable ROI, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Etsy account. Navigate to your shop manager located on the top left corner of the homepage. Select the marketing option from the menu on the left. Click on the Promoted Listings tab. Here, you will see your current promoted listings and their performance metrics. Identify the listings that you want to adjust the budget for. Next, click on the pencil icon next to the listing you want to modify. This action will open the budget settings for that particular listing. Review the current budget amount to determine if it meets your needs. If you need to increase or decrease the budget, simply enter the new amount in the budget field. Consider your overall advertising strategy when setting this budget. After entering the new budget, take a moment to analyze how it aligns with your desired ROI. You can check the estimated clicks and impressions for your budget to gauge potential performance. Once you are satisfied with the new budget amount, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Changes button to apply your updates. Repeat these steps for any additional listings as needed. Regularly monitor the performance of your promoted listings to ensure your budget adjustments are effective. Adjust your budgets as necessary based on the performance metrics you observe. Making informed decisions will help you maximize your return on investment. Continuously refine your approach based on data and market trends. Stay proactive and engaged with your Etsy shop's advertising efforts for sustained growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.